Find or read reviews that people are talking about SEMIER small digital FM radio Bluetooth speaker, handheld rechargeable radio wireless speaker. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Versatile multifunctional wireless speaker. The FM radio with Bluetooth speaker combines 4 essential functions in one compact device. A portable FM radio, Bluetooth speaker, USB MP3 player, and micro SD card player, making it the perfect multipurpose audio solution for any environment. And it also supports voice recording capabilities to USB/micro SD card. Enhanced FM reception, no AM. Featuring a 16.6-inch 360-degree rotary antenna, this small radio Bluetooth speaker guarantees robust FM reception, 88 to 108 MHz, with automatic/manual station search, deletion, and auto storage functionality for superior listening enjoyment. The clean LCD and the 0 to 9 number keys allow for quick access, which makes it an ideal MP3 player with radio capabilities tailored for easy operation during daily use. Bluetooth connect seamlessly and rechargeable. Enjoy fast connectivity with Bluetooth technology that quickly pairs your phone or tablet while retaining auto memory for seamless reconnection. Our rechargeable speaker features a built-in, 2000 mAh large capacity rechargeable battery, ensuring long-lasting use whether you're indoors or outdoors. The USB-C charging port makes recharging quick and easy. Versatile audio experience. Equipped with dual 4-watt speakers and 6 distinct sound effects, normal, pop, rock, jazz, classic, country. Ensuring an enhanced listening experience whether you are using it as an MP3 player with radio or a Bluetooth speaker that plays USB. Includes a 3.5mm earphone jack, allowing you to listen privately without disturbing others. USB/micro SD MP3 player. This portable FM radio with Bluetooth supports various formats including MP3, WAV, FLAC, and APE, allowing you to enjoy your favorite tunes effortlessly. Whether from a USB drive or micro SD card, music playback has never been easier. In addition, customization playback with random, repeat, and all modes offers a unique listening experience. Durable and portable design. Constructed from premium ABS plastic, this compact MP3 player with speakers measures just 6.3 x 1.2 x 3.1 inches and weighs only 0.55 pounds. It comes with a lanyard for easy portability. Perfect for on-the-go entertainment. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.